Hello and welcome to the challenges in Chapter 4. These challenges will incorporate the topics covered in this chapter and covered in the exercises, so use the exercises as they will help you to solve the challenges. I will provide more detailed requirements and show the end result that you will have to achieve. Are you ready for Challenge 1? Okay, the requirements are as shown. I have called this conditional rental as it doing to be a car rental, and you are going to have several conditional rendering to do. You are going to create a basic car rental component including drop-down for car type, vehicle selection, enter rentals days and options like GPS, etc. As you make selections, your contract terms should show your choices and rental cost and final cost depends on discounts and options chosen. Only display discount if it applies. And optional costs if option selection. I will give you one hint here. Create a car's nested object for cars with top level being car type, with second level keys rate and options, with options being a next object containing the cars for that car type. See the hint shown. Also create an object for options cost with key pairs for the options GPS, child seat, additional drive, with costs. Okay. Now, you should try to have a visual of what you are trying to create, and I will make this easy for you by showing you the end result in action. I open my Chapter 4, Challenges and click the blue arrow next to _1 conditional render. I see a drop-down for car type, a rental days input, default 1, and then some additional checkbox options for GPS, child seat, additional driver, and a refresh button. Okay, so I choose car type SUV, note that I had economy and sedan also. And at select vehicle drop-down appeared. I select Ford Escape. Now I see rental cost, final cost and contract terms being all the options I chose, including the rental days which defaulted to 1. I change the rental days to 8 by clicking the up arrow in the field or type 8. Note if I use the up and down arrows, I see the costs change in the summary lines and also in the contract terms, and the rental days increases also. When I choose 8 days, I now see another summary line. You qualify for a 5% discount and the final cost is now 5% less than the rental cost. Also, the contract terms now show the discount. Next, I select to include GPS, and I see that it gets added to the contract terms and changes the final cost, but not the rental cost. I deselect it and it is removed from the contract terms list and reduced the final cost. I decide I want to change to car type sedan instead, so I select sedan, and all the costs change and the contract changes. So, you can see this is all reactive and responsive to changes. Last, click refresh and all items are reinitialized. And that's the desired result. You might want to create a Chapter 14 folder in LibData and save your solution there, as mine will go in Chapter 4. Okay, that's the challenge. Use the exercises to help you get through this. I will see you in another video for my solution.